Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us today. Welcome to the first ever virtual Honda aircraft product launch. I'm Michimasa Fujino, President and CEO of Honda Aircraft Company. Today, I have some exciting news to share with you. We are firm believers that you should never stand still and are always seeking to push the limits and evolve our design. This philosophy of continuous improvement led to the introduction of the HondaJet Elite and now the Elite S, the next iteration of HondaJet to expand operational capability. Let's take a look at the newest HondaJet, the Elite S. I'm very proud to introduce HondaJet Elite S. This unique paint scheme represents the spirit of Honda Aircraft Company as we continue our research and development of leading-edge technology and expand the horizon of the business jet. I'm excited to showcase this special paint scheme to you. The original HondaJet introduced several aeronautical breakthroughs, including the over-the-wing engine mount configuration, natural laminar flow nose and wing, and composite fuselage that have served as the foundation for all of our models. In 2018, we introduced the HondaJet Elite, which enabled the aircraft to fly further with less noise while introducing several new avionics and interior technologies. These aircraft have been extremely well received by the market, and we are excited to be recognized as the most delivered aircraft in our class for 4 consecutive years since 2017. Today, with the introduction of the new HondaJet Elite S, we take another step forward in expanding the aircraft's capability through increased payload range, enhanced avionics technologies, and bold new color styling, delivering further satisfaction to our owners and operators. The HondaJet Elite S allows you to carry more with an increased maximum takeoff weight of 200 pounds, whether it's passengers, cargo, or additional fuel. The Elite S expands the opportunity to enjoy the benefit of our aircraft. For example, for a mission with a single pilot with 5 passengers, the Elite S allows you to fly 120 nautical miles further, or you choose to take advantage of the increased payload capability for an additional passenger, bringing one more friend along on your typical trip, let's say from New York to Palm Beach, Florida. The evolution of the HondaJet is not limited to the payload range capability. We have also made an upgrade to the flight deck, which is carefully designed for a pilot machine interface, and ergonomics. Our advanced control technology and highly customized Garmin G3000 avionics suite has been updated with a number of new features for the HondaJet Elite S, all to reduce pilot workload and enhance aircraft safety and efficiency, delivering the best flight experience for not only passengers but also pilots. For example, the new FAA Datacom feature replaces traditional voice commands with text-based messaging for departure clearance and en route services where available in the United States. Another feature, ACARS, enabled text-based messaging to improve communication with both air traffic services and operation centers. Air traffic services include terminal information, terminal weather, and departure clearance from supported airport. ACARS also provides several functionality for communicating with operation centers, including flight plan upload, messaging, weather, and automatic transmission of position reporting and out, off, on, in status. COM3 allows operators to disable the data link mode of the radio and use it as a third VHF. All of these new avionics features enable more seamless communication and greatly reduce pilot workload for more efficient operations. Furthermore, additional refinements were made to the aircraft with the application of our Advanced Steering Augmentation System, ASAS, which reduce pilot workload and enhance safety for missions in specific weather conditions. Taking the HondaJet's signature exterior profile to the next level, the HondaJet Elite S introduces 3 new color options: gunmetal, deep sea blue, and Lux Gold, adding to the original HondaJet signature color schemes with the Elite S logo and the bold red S as a standard offering. The result of innovation, design, and engineering, our new Elite S features several enhancements that further expand operational capability, once again setting a new standard for light jet. The HondaJet Elite achieved the best performance in its class, while also being the most efficient light jet in its class. For example, the HondaJet Elite uses on average 8,000 less gallons of fuel per year for typical aircraft usage. As a result, it emits less greenhouse gas than all other similar-sized business jets. The HondaJet Elite S will be available in June 2021. Thank you very much for sharing this moment with me today. We will continue to advance light jet technologies. This year will be an exciting year for Honda Aircraft Company, and we hope to see you again soon.